We're making a video. Do you know the reason? To send you our gratitude this holiday season.
As the year end approaches and the lights burn bright, we want to make sure that we do this just right.
You've been there for us, and we've been there for you. So when we say thank you, we mean it through and through.
To you, our customers, and to our dedicated team members, please know that you're at the top of our gratitude list this December.
We're sending wishes for a peaceful, happy, and joyful holiday with just the right amount of fun and excitement along the way.
In a year filled with some unexpected challenges for business, now more than ever, we wanted to send you warm wishes.
By working together as a team, we've all come far, and we wish you great success this new year, wherever you are.
May your season be filled with light, laughter, and love, as well as many precious blessings from above.
Thank you to your crew for their time and energy. We look forward to another year of success and synergy.
As for gifts, we are so grateful for all the wins, both big and small. And we're thankful for our employees, affiliates, and customers most of all.
Happy holidays!